Hi, this is Brad with InMotion Hosting, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up your email within Microsoft Outlook 2010. I have my cPanel already loaded, and you can see that I've got Brad at InMotionTesting.com already set up. That's the email account that I'm going to set up in this tutorial. I already have Outlook open as well, so we're going to start off by going to the top and clicking File, and then click Add Account under Account Information. The first screen here has us filling in some basic information. So for the name, I'm going to enter Brad. For the email address, that's brad at InMotionTesting.com. And then I'm going to enter my password twice. Make sure that you select Manually Configure Server Settings, and then click Next. We're going to be setting up either a POP or IMAP account, so ensure that Internet Email is selected, and then click Next. Under user information, our name and email address is already filled in. The next thing we need to decide is server type, and we have the option of POP3 or IMAP. If you're going to be using this computer only to check your email, you can go ahead and choose POP3. But if you're going to be using multiple devices like a BlackBerry, an iPhone, or even another computer to check your email, if you select IMAP, that's going to help you synchronize all your email between those devices. Notice that my domain name is InMotionTesting.com. For the incoming mail server, I'm going to use mail.InMotionTesting.com. For the outgoing mail server, it's going to be the same thing, mail. Followed by my domain name, in this case InMotionTesting.com. For the login information, your username is always going to be your full email address. So here I've got brad at InMotionTesting.com, and then I'm going to enter my password once more. From here, go ahead and click on More Settings. Click on the Outgoing Server tab. You want to make sure that you have this option selected. My outgoing server requires authentication, and then also make sure that Use Same Settings as my incoming mail server is selected as well. And while we're here, go ahead and click the Advanced tab, and you can see that your outgoing server port number by default is set to 25. Go ahead and change that to 587. We're going to do this now because a lot of internet service providers have restrictions in place that prevent email going over port 25. So if we set 587 now, it resolves a lot of those future issues. Now that all of our advanced settings are done, we'll go ahead and click OK. And to make sure that everything is set up successfully, go ahead and click Test Account Settings. Now you can see that the first one completed, logging into incoming mail server, which was IMAP, and then also the Send Test Email message completed as well. So those two tests confirm that our account is set up successfully. So to move on from here, go ahead and click Next. It actually runs the same test again, which is fine. Once it's completed, go ahead and click Close. And then on this congratulations screen, click Finish. Now you can see in the left-hand menu, my email address, brad at InMotionTesting.com, is now showing. And my inbox, you can see a couple test emails. So we have successfully set up our email account in Microsoft Outlook 2010. If you have further questions, you can call us at any time. You can also send us an email at support@InMotionHosting.com or come into our live chat, and we'll be more than happy to help you get set up.